Alright, something old for something new. No, something new for something old. Anyway, who's ready to go see what kind of mischief we can get into today? Welcome back, everybody. It is old moderately big Mike back here, not at the Hoopty Barn, but in Vanessa, and we are fixing to take a road trip to Oklahoma, and we're going to go to a bit of a family reunion. And I know y'all don't care nothing about that, but I'm going to make kind of a dual purpose drive. So we're going to do the family reunion, and one of my cousins got something really cool for me that been waiting on for a while, and y'all have seen him in a previous video, and we're just gonna say that it has something to do with a old car that we have. So here we go. All right, so we are coming into Oklahoma. Yes, sir. Okay, so I am here in the big city of Oklahoma, and I got an extra surprise. I had no idea that it was going on. So, ready to go see what it is? Check that out, man. That's what the 66 could have been, but, you know, we let her go. But, gotta love them bucket seats, man. What a beautiful example. Goodness. Love it. This ain't the only one. Yeah, apparently they're having a car show up here. So we're gonna go over here and see what all we got. Yeah, there's one for old Rob. Rob's Rods and Street Cars. The old Z28. Boy, that thing is sexy. And you can even win. Here, I'll give you a shot of the QR code if you want to enter. There you go, $25. Oh, look at that. Saucy. Nice. A Mercury. It was good. Well, that's cool. Super cool. Love the old panels. Little rat rod. Beware of rats. It's done pretty well though. Looks good. The old cruise-in cruiser. Fleet Master. Nice. Nice old Chevy. Galaxy 500. Man. Sexy. Awesome possum. Mustang.
Yeah.
Super clean. Oh, that's really cool. Nice. Excuse me. Super cool.
Well, I can remember.
How you doing?
Good. Man, sexy old Pontiac. Lemons. And it ain't no lemon, it's a lemons. .38 special. Nice. Fairlane. Nice. This one reminds me of my grandpa's old car. What I used to ride in when I was a little boy. And the Corvette. Nice. Old Impala. Sexy. And for you Chevy square body guys, those are all right. And for the Tri-5 guys, looks good. Nice. We're almost to the good one. That's cool. That's more hoopty barn style. Like it. That's what I'm talking about. The old Chevrolet pickup. Now, finally we get a good Mopar. We finally got a good Mopar. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, me too.
Nice. Super sexy. Super sexy. I'm gonna pause for a second.
He's a glam.
All right. Good looking old Ford. Another good looking old Ford. There we go. Looking old Chevy. Nice. I always like these wood beds. Those are awesome. Super cool. Another Z28. Now that is sexy. Way. How about that? All right. Now we got some more modern Mopars. Nice.
He will do it for free.
That there. Rumblebee Scat Pack. 1320. I wonder if that's the Destroyer 1320. Nice. Another old square-bodied Chevy. And now here we go. Finally, another good Mopar. Road Runner. Well, I'm talking about 404 barrel. Looks to be original. Nice. Got the old rally wheels on it. Very nice, very nice.
Get on this thing now. And I bought that car.
All right. Well, it looks like more coming in. Old 57 Chevy. The Mustang. Another Mustang. All right, and that looks like about the end of the line. Okay, my best in show is gonna have to be the Roadrunner or the 71 Charger. You guys leave your comment down there. Tell me what you guys think. Now that was fun. Guess we're gonna head back over to the truck and head over to the reunion and see who all's there. All right, so I'm here with a couple of my favorite-ish cousins.
He uses that term loosely.
Loosely. Anyway. So, here are my cousin Jim and designer Denny, also known as the cheese guy,
Yes.
but that's a whole different story entirely.
That's my other side of my life.
So,
we got
And,
the eye candy here.
oh yeah,
Yeah,
we
look
got.
at that haircut.
I mean, some people just forgot to keep growing. I don't know what to say about that. So, anyway, we are having fun. We got the rest of the family down yonder, and we're gonna see if the cheese guy brought us something besides cheese. You might recognize Denny as the guy who did the seats for the Blue Goose. And what we have here, the back seat for the Blue Goose. So we are going to take this dude home. We're going to install it, and then we can have more people take rides in it. Hoo-wee! Home again, home again. So, I decided I didn't want to take any chances on the dirt road with our seat. So, I'm going to get the seat out, and we're going to bring it over here to the Blue Goose and put her in the back and see what we think. See how she matches. So give me a sec here. I'll go get it and see what we got. All right, ready to see? Ta-da! I know the lighting isn't the greatest, but yeah, she fits pretty good in here. And it matches really great. So, for my new subscribers who don't know about the Blue Goose yet, this is our 1931 Plymouth. And she's been in our family for 70 years or so. And yeah, she's not quite stock. Yeah. This was last year's No Name Nationals project. I'll give you a little peek under the hood real quick. Yeah, that's a 318 with headers and all that fun stuff, and has a Ooga horn. But if you want to know about it, you just have to go to the series I did called 90 to Nothing, and you can see how I resurrected this thing from a yard ornament into a running and driving car in 90 days. So, yeah. So, thank you all again for hanging out with me on another one of my adventures. And appreciate y'all watching. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Say, you crazy hillbilly, you don't even know what in the world you're doing. And I'll say you are correct. But until then, and until next time, y'all keep watching. I'm going to keep working on old silly stuff, whatnots.